Alright, what's up everyone? In this video we're going to be expanding our print class to make it just a little bit better. We'll be adding some features to change text color, and usually they say just get the gameplay down first and worry about the way it looks later, but me personally, I don't like rewriting code. So we're going to do it right now and get it in. So without wasting any more time, make sure you're in your print class. And above it, we're going to add an enum class called color. And we'll have default, red, green, yellow, and cyan. There we go. Now we'll create another class. It's going to be, or another function, static void set color, and it's going to take a color. We're just going to name this color. Now I'm just going to do this and create a quick definition in the CPP. You can type it in manually if you're on a different thing, but in our print.cpp, once we have our void print set color. Now this is my first time doing this. It should work fine. So you're going to type in handle in all caps, console equals get std handle. Then we're going to go to std output handle. And this will be our console. That's how you get your console. Now we'll just say if color is equal to color red, like so. We'll say set console text attribute, like that. And it takes in the console. Then we just do foreground red, and then foreground intensity, just like so. Double check, I believe that's right. That is right, because we have RGB on here. Well, it should have been right. Okay, so you do this, not a comma, excuse me. That's right above the enter key. So I'm just going to copy this code, change this to else if, change this to green. And so I just changed this part right here to green, which is fine. I'm just going to copy this. And now I'll change this to yellow. And now to get yellow, you see how we already have green there. Now we just got to add in front of this foreground red. Let me see, I can't spell worth a crap right now. Just like that. Now for cyan, we're going to do foreground, let me see, green. Then after this, I'm going to put foreground blue. Just add that there, like so. Pause it if you have to. So let's see, what do we have? We have red, green, yellow. This is going to be cyan. Not sure if we'll use it. Now, we'll say else, or even better, I'm not even going to use else. I'll say else if color is equal to color default. Let me just copy this. Now I'll just put foreground red. So when you have all the colors, let me go back, I didn't mean to enter that. So now when you have all the colors, red, green, and blue, we still have that set for intensity as well, then you have default. And in case somebody, for some reason, the whole reason I did it like this would be just in case they did it, but this shouldn't be a big deal. But in case somehow somebody passes in like another color somewhere, it's going to be default if it's not any of the main ones. So there we go. Now that's our set color function. Now we have that. We need to go back to our functions here. We're going to add another one, static void WriteColor. That's what we're going to call it. It's going to take a const std string reference, just like the other one, text, except this time it's going to take a color, just like so. You'll see what we're going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and create this function here. And now there's nothing much to it. We just call our set color function that we created, and we pass in the color here. Then we go to std cout text, just like that. And then we'll set color back to default, just like so. Now if we do this, we can set the color, so this shouldn't be bad. So we're going to change this a little bit. So we're going to do WriteColor, IronVail, and we're going to do color red. So now if we just change that right here in our main game using our WriteColor function, we're going to see if this works, and boom, I've seen it worked. IronVail. Also, to make this look a little better, I'm going to put another new line right there. So now whenever we start the game up, there we go. You see now we have colors. Now, what I will do, make this even better, we're going to go to print, because right now, let's see. I'll show you right now. If you enter in like 3 or something, and right now it closes, you know, but we have all this stuff. If you don't want that there, because we're going to do everything that goes with printing in here, we're just going to handle this in here as well. So in print H, we're going to do static void clear. And in this one's real easy to create. We'll just create a definition of it like we did the other, and we'll just do system. And then in parentheses, we'll do CLS. Now this is just calling a command. I'm not just putting random letters. This is just, I just looked at this. I've never used this before, but this worked. This should clear our stuff when we call it. So, and I'll show you why we might want to do that. So right now, let's see, we get a whole bunch of options. So now, inside here, after your choice is made, you know, at the very bottom, we can do print clear. Just like this. Now, everything stays up to date and we don't have a long scrolling console. It comes there. So now we can try some other stuff. Should work fine. Just testing it a little bit, see how it works. New game. Character creation coming soon. Thanks for playing, IronVail. So in this video, I know it's getting kind of long, but we just added some quality of life. So now whenever we want to write something with color, we just do it like this. And the reason I had it set back to white is because for most stuff you're going to want it to be white text. That's why we could have went here and not set it back to default. And under WriteColor, that would have been annoying because once you set this to red, all this would have been red. So you would have had to do this. I'll show you. You would have to do this and then set color to color default. You would have had to done this after every single time you change the color. And so that's my design choice on why I had it set back right here after we printed our message, because it's just so much cleaner. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, comment, like below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.